You look at your book and say, hey, I could have done better. I could have said things that were more impactful. I didn't have to write my whole book for somebody else or to please a publisher or whatever it is.
You also told me that the biggest challenge for you was breaking down the barriers. There were so many judgments about writing. So, in the midst of all these judgments, if today someone had to start writing a book, what would you, I mean, if they had to monetize that, how would you think they should do it? What is the process to doing it?
I think one of the things that I might be a little old school about this, but I don't believe that one should start with the concept of monetization. And I believe that because if you think about that, then you are always writing for the audience. You start getting fixated on what would my audience want. That's not the point. Writing a book is more about delving deep into your own experiences and to sort of use those to make something that is true to what you want to tell the world. I think everything else just follows. The first step is to be honest with your work. Because if you don't do that, you're going to regret it. Even if you make money from it or whatever it is, you're going to regret not being your authentic self in the work. And it's a heavy industry to be in, and to find publishers, do the negotiation, all those things. Those things do take a lot of time. And after all that, once you have had your book and after a year has passed and all the adrenaline rush from having published your first book has drained out, you look at your book and say, hey, I could have done better. I could have said things that were more impactful. I didn't have to write my whole book for somebody else or to please a publisher or whatever it is. So I think being honest about your work is extremely important. Many people told me, hey, why don't you make an Instagram page? I still don't have an Instagram page of my writing. Because I don't believe that me writing should be about what the world wants to hear at this point. Yeah, sure, the world would want to hear my opinions on various things. I write essays for that, I blog for that. But for my poetry and the craft I love the most, I'd rather be honest than try to get the world's attention. And I'm old school about it. Many people say, hey, why don't you spend a lot of time on your social media so that your book can get a boost? And they're the very practical things to say. Very practical things to say. But I'm not old enough to sort of think about how much money I want to make and stuff. Right now, all I need to know is, can I feel and express right? Can I be honest with my work? And does my work impact my readers? Even if it is 15 readers, can it make that impact? I don't want my book to be a light read, be something you can sort of just skim through and whatever and stuff. I wanted to make an impact, and for that I probably have to I don't think I should indulge myself into the hard politics of Instagram and then worrying about its algorithm. That I do not have time for that. I just want to focus on my craft as of now. And yeah, I will probably have an Instagram campaign and Facebook campaign and whatnot. But that's when I write the work that I'm the most proud of and I feel empty from within for a really long period of time. That's when I want to push for my work. And honestly, even if one of my work or one of anybody's work, even one short poem gets some international attention, their entire work will get it. So I needn't worry about what the sales of my book today are. The moment even one piece of mine pierces the right audience, the rest of my work will be uplifted on its own.
I think personally, I feel that this is something everybody, not just someone who's writing a book, but everybody should keep this in mind, that it is not about how people see you, it is about how you see yourself and how you bring out that craft within, how you respect it and how you give it the right platform which it deserves.
Yeah,
So,
I started writing years ago. I mean, my writing just got published in the last 2 years. Been writing since ninth grade. So in between, I wouldn't say rejected, but kind of rejected, and all of those things. So you have to take the process as it comes. And I'm glad those previous works were rejected, because they were not good. What was I thinking?